In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app. Following that, after selecting one of your chats, click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then click on Gallery and select one of your videos by tapping on the chosen one. Then click on Done over here. As you can see, my video was too big, but yours should be successfully added. In order to add an audio file, tap on this plus again, but this time click on More at the bottom right corner. Then select Audio section. Tap on one of your recordings and tap on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my audio file was added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!